So here in Laos and probably in most of Southeast Asian countries, the single most popular bike is the Honda Wave. And this is a bike that you'll see practically everywhere, especially if you are brand new to this country or other parts of Southeast Asia. You're probably wondering why are so many people driving this bike. And I myself have an electric scooter, and so I don't have the most popular bike. But today I'm going to go ahead and drive a Honda Wave and just show you how it is to drive it and why it is the most popular bike here in Southeast Asia. Okay, so I have the Honda Kick right here. This is the most popular bike in Laos and probably in all of Southeast Asia. And so I am used to riding an electric scooter, so I'm still learning how to drive an actual motorcycle. So I'm going to try to show you how this works. Hopefully this doesn't fall over because I'm using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is not an action cam. So let me see if we could keep this on and I can show you how this looks like whenever we're driving. So we have that in place, and so let's go ahead and see how it is driving the Honda Kick. Camera's about to fall off. And there's definitely a difference in power and just sense of speed whenever it comes to driving a motorcycle versus an electric scooter or bike. There's just a difference that's kind of hard to explain. And just the sound of your motorcycle revving up, that is just an awesome feeling. And I am definitely on some bumpy road as well. But that's just a quick idea of how it looks like on the Honda Kick, and my camera just fell over. Right, so let's go ahead and drive back in pavement or dirt, then to pavement. And yeah, this part is bumpy. I'll slow down a little bit. And in terms of what I like better, honestly, I do like driving a motorcycle better. You know, even though it is louder, there's more things that I have to think about in terms of shifting my gears and stuff like that. I just find the experience more fun. The electric bikes or scooters, I think they're great for getting around quickly, and most of them are automatic, so you don't have to worry about shifting gears and stuff. And it just has a different feel, but it's not quite as much fun as a motorcycle. And unless you've actually driven the two, it's kind of hard to explain. But now we're gonna go from dirt road over to pavement. And it's kind of like my same feeling on cars. You know, I prefer driving gas cars versus electric. And other things currently with gas-powered cars or motorcycles is that unlike the battery-powered ones, if I need to charge my motorcycle or my scooter or bike or whatever, if it's electric, it's a lot harder and it takes way much longer. You know, I mean, it takes like 6 hours for me to charge up my scooter fully, my electric scooter, and I simply don't have to do that with a gas-powered bike. I just simply go to a gas station, fill it up, less than 5 minutes, I'm good to go. And that is the biggest problem that I have with having an electric bike or vehicle. And obviously there are more expensive e-bikes, scooters that can charge really quickly, but typically they cost more money, and newer electric cars do a better job of charging, but then you have to think about charging stations and so forth. So that for me is the biggest reason why I still prefer gas-powered vehicles, is the whole charging and gas. And like I said, the other stuff is just the overall feel and fun factor when it comes to driving this gas-powered motorcycle. I really, really enjoy it. And I'm about to come on this bigger road right here. And, you always have to be careful, especially here in Vientiane, Laos, whenever you are coming to big streets or just main streets. There's just crazy traffic here. There's all types of stuff that you have to worry about. You just see right here, and I'm trying to get across the street. And over here in Vientiane, Laos, and most of Southeast Asia, there's laws for driving, but it's more like suggestions. Even if you have red lights and stuff, people don't necessarily abide by them. They just go however they can. So, see, like there, she's trying to turn, and I'm trying to go straight. Thankfully, there's no cars behind me. So, I'm gonna go straight as soon as I can. Okay. All right, so they're turning, and I'm gonna go ahead and go. All right, so I'm on gear 3. Gear 4 is the fastest, but if you're on the back roads or stuff like this where it's not a big open highway, typically I'm not using gear 4. And all of this is in kilometers per hour, so I don't know what it is miles per hour. But for the most part, you're probably not going to be driving fast in the city here in Vientiane, Laos. So you're probably going to be in the 30 to 40, 50 miles per hour, somewhere around there. So this is more of a neighborhood area, which is actually paved, which makes it a lot nicer to drive in. And I am holding my DJI Osmo Pocket in my left hand, so I don't have like full mobility with my hands or even clutching the handle. So definitely a safety hazard, especially in this larger city, but I'm not on a big road, so I can drive like this. Okay, so I'm able to go a little bit faster here. And I'm going to come to this corner here. Alright. Man, I just love the sound of the bike. So I'm going to go to gear 4, see how fast this goes. That looks like a straightaway. And my speedometer is broken on this bike. It's like 15 years old, so honestly, I don't know how fast it goes. I just know it's fast. Alright. Oh. Yeah. And out on an open road, it is just a really, really fun drive. As long as you don't have a lot of traffic. But we're in Vientiane, Laos, there's almost always traffic practically everywhere. Okay, so there's the big road out there, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and make just one last push. Let's try this one more time. Oh yeah, love that. Okay. Yep. So yeah. Wow. So that is the Honda Wave. It's really, really fun bike. And if you are here in Southeast Asia, you're gonna see this everywhere. And this is, I would say, not only the most popular, but one of the most affordable. You could actually get this bike for less than $1,000 US new, maybe less than $500 used. But anyway, the main thing with this is it's a motorcycle. It's fun to drive, and it is a Honda, so it is good quality. This bike is like over 15 years old that I have right here with me, that my family has been using for a very long time. So if you actually had any thoughts on the Honda Wave or any other bikes that you enjoy driving here in Laos or Southeast Asia or wherever else you're in the world, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below or up here. Driving my motorcycle